Hey guys, you see that big end of the axle? Well, there's a white piece that goes over that so the pin doesn't fall out. But then, I don't see where you can get the other piece that goes to the hub so then that pin doesn't fall out. So I made a post on a subreddit for Traxxas, and that's how I found out the what part is needed to hold in the big end pin. But then I need to find the piece that goes for the small end pin so that doesn't fall out. But I just gotta keep you guys updated on this whole crazy situation, so then hopefully after I do that of putting the white pieces around the pins, they won't fall out. And if they fall out because the white pieces move, I'm going to Loctite the pins in, and then the white pieces I'm probably going to super glue onto the axles or do something to hold the white pieces onto the axles. So I hope you guys understand that whole situation, and I will show you what the white pieces look like. So yeah, it's a sucky situation, but from what I've seen online, it's a pretty common situation as well. So yeah, it's bullcrap because they. But then, as of recently, I think I saw somewhere that they've improved it to where they don't have that issue anymore, or something. Or I don't know, because I've tried it twice myself. Then I got Mid-South Hobbies and Games in Memphis, Tennessee to do it. Then they popped out. That's the reason why I haven't driven it, because I had a feeling they were gonna pop out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get the new thing from MIP. So I hope you guys understand that whole situation. Or people, from what I've heard, people don't use the MIP kit that I showed you guys. Sometimes they just put heat shrink over the axle so the pins don't fall out as well. And I'm gonna have to find something to hold the small end pin in on the axle as well, because I've already found something that'll hold in the big end pin. So yeah, it's a whole crazy fiasco, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I'm thinking about just using heat shrink over the small end, or I may see if there's some other way to hold the small end in as well. Hey guys, here's the white piece that I'm talking about. So yeah, I see what that subreddit was talking about. So here it is, what the guy was talking about. So yeah, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep it on the community tab to YouTube. Make sure to get notified when I post a community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.